So today is the day work starts on the floor. They're going to paint it and resin it, so it's going to be ultra gloss. Later on in the video, we're taking the Volvo to start work on the customisation of that as well. We're going to be dropping that off. I've got my toolbox in Mrs. Trucker Tim's there and all of that as well. She's not going to be happy. I think she's turning up later. Oh, is this Abacus flooring? I've also just added these finishing touches to the fire door. He's actually got on the arches of a V8. And also, as you walk in through the office, I put on there. How cool does that look? Welcome to the channel.
Thank you. Cheers, Tim.
You're going to be doing, well, you and your guys are going to be doing all of the flooring in here today.
Yep, you can meet the guys now. The guys are going to look after you.
Yes. So is this going to be like ultra gloss?
Ultra high gloss. We're going to grind all the floor.
Grind it down
first. We're going to put 3 coats of high gloss. You'll see your little toes in this one.
Macca, I like it.
Hey, mate. Glenn, you're right.
Glenn,
Patrick.
and Patrick. These are the guys that are going to do the floor for me.
And we must do a shout out for Rosie Dean.
Rosie Dean, yeah.
Rosie Dean, please.
Rosie Dean, shout out to you.
So this is Abacus.
This is Abacus. If somebody wants their flooring doing, and they ring up and mention Trucker Tim,
yeah,
you probably sort
I'll do a deal out.
You do a little deal.
Anybody mentions Trucker Tim, there will definitely be a discount to be
There we go, there we go.
Yeah, when you sweep the concrete dust,
yeah,
it's silica.
Ah,
it kills you.
I've just been sweeping that concrete all morning.
Worst you could do.
This is all of the paint that is going to be going on the floor. So while the guys are doing my flooring, let's get the Volvo started up. She's got a flat battery because later in the video, I'm taking her to go and get fully customised. So, gonna have side skirts, infills. We're gonna talk more about it basically when we get it there later in the video. But I need to get it started up, get it out, because we're gonna put it on the back of the King because I haven't got any lights or anything on the back. 24. Beautiful. It's been a while since she's been started. The Experiences truck is rolling yet again. Got the Volvo out. Had to jump start her.
4 more times.
Bought these, obviously, Bison Parts Special, and they go on there, but I need fixings.
Oh yeah, you got to get all
them.
them.
Come with these.
Oh, did it not?
Look how rusted up. I can't reuse them, look. And these.
Give John Warby a ring, I'm sure he'll sort you out.
Oh, John Warby.
Give John, you forgot about John, didn't you? Can't believe Johnny's forgot about you. How can he forget about you?
Yeah. I'm not going to bother with a new battery face. It's all going to be covered up.
Ah, yeah, you're going to leave.
I'm going to have to get to the batteries somehow, aren't I? For jumping.
Yeah. Jumping. Well done.
There we go, thank you.
Yeah, no problem.
I was just looking around at it, Sean.
Yeah.
You know, what's it going to need?
5th wheel.
Yeah.
Let's start with that.
Funny that, really, isn't it?
Yeah, well.
Hilarious.
Well, it's going to
I
need
had one for that, didn't I, mate?
Yeah.
I had one for that. That's on the Scammell now. Good lad.
Yeah, you did. Yeah.
You know,
nicked it.
That's just an easy
Easy fix and repair and replace.
Present.
Can't go wrong with a version 3 Volvo.
2.
Is it a 2 this
Yes.
one? Oh, it's a 2. Why did I think it was a 3?
Because you only care about DAFs, mate. That's why.
Well, yeah. Dipstick. 2 dipsticks.
3, I think. Good nectar.
Good nectar.
It looks watery.
Yeah, probably does want a bit of a service. I think we're going to put a compressor on this though, aren't we?
Well, yeah, it's all a bit rattle.
Because it does go rattle, rattle, rattle worse than the V8.
And this comes back from where it's going. It's going to be a lot harder to work on because it will be boxed in.
That'd be lovely.
It'll be like the Magnum.
Oh, he's found that chain.
It's all going on. That lump in there, boy.
Yeah, I know, it's lovely. What the hell happened?
What's that?
What?
Did you see it fly out of my face?
No, I've never seen nothing.
There's stuff flying out of it. Bats.
I know bat come out of there. Steering column, replace that.
Listen, replace the steering column?
Yeah.
Oh, that sounds cheap. Pattern part.
Yep. Oh, it's a very good customer. I've got to get this.
Okay. Also a good customer.
Yes, you are, Tim.
Yes.
Yeah.
I'm very patient. Yeah. Flipping hell, mate. Come on.
What's that?
I've got a winch. I've got jobs coming out my ears. Winch work.
Oh, yeah.
And you.
Yeah. I was going to fit it tomorrow.
Yeah. Yeah. Please put some grease on them legs. Sounds like them organs at the weekend. You need to sort that. And that's it. That's all we get of Sean. He's now got to go. Flooring is being done as we speak.
I can get this shed out of my yard.
Yeah. That is your job also, to get the chassis to the unit.
I think we can do
Rear
that.
lift, put it in, And then you can forget about it for a little while.
Yeah, I can't see me forgetting about it.
So at some point, the R Series, the 4 Series and the Volvo will be all together in the unit. So I'm just waiting now for my structural engineer to come out. I think he's here to do some measurements and see what we need to get the car up on the roof.
Tim?
What are you doing here?
Well, it's my new job. I'm here to do your structural checks of your ceiling to make sure it's fit for your car.
Excuse the mess, I'm having the floor resined. Steady on. Shoes off in here.
Shoes off?
Yeah, the floor's tacky. Ooh.
So I guess it's up there, is it?
Yeah, that's where she's going.
Right, let's go up.
Okay. You know, I've done a few jump tests.
It's not really good enough, though, is it? Yeah.
I'm thinking we're probably going to need some steel joists.
Oh, it's Jay's actually.
Okay.
I know all this. It's going to be about 15mm thick.
Okay.
I think we're going to have to run a couple across. And we're going to have to go down to the ground. As long as this concrete's not been laid, sort of like the last 6 months.
No, we're good for that.
Are you sure?
Not 100%.
Would you be able to find out the documents for that?
Yeah, yeah. Down here, so. I think I got them. You started work already?
No, I'm doing some tests.
They're rigorous tests.
Can you go and get that for me, please?
Oh, nice. Beautiful. Will I get a quote in the post, Josh, from your...
No.
No?
Email.
Oh, email, okay. Do you mind going out through the back door? Because I don't want people knowing you're here, really. That's all right. It's just the neighbours and that. Oh. I'll wait your email, yeah? Bye. See you, mate. Oh, that went well. It's time to load the Volvo onto the King. What have I got a brake light warning? Let's get her loaded on. Are you gonna come give me a hand or not? I'm just gonna stand there vaping.
Standard.
Full of enthusiasm, I see.
Yeah.
Basically, we're gonna do a cover-up job. Cover up everything.
Bit like the R Series. Was that a bit too soon?
That was a bit
Low?
yeah.
Oh, sorry.
Well, that winch looks good.
Winch is good, isn't it?
It is good.
Yeah. You don't want it. You don't fit it.
I think he's lying. I ain't been here a year yet.
Go on, boy. Oh. Do you want a scaffold too, but put in between that? Give you a bit more purchase, sir?
Mate, I could keep going on there until that tyre burst.
Oh, yeah, could you? Got a lot of excess there,
I know,
mate.
so I'd cut it off. I might as well just cut these down to about here and have... What are you filming over there from over here now, you numpty?
Thought I'd like that bush. That bush looked really nice.
Yeah, you like a bit of bush.
Yeah, I love bush, yeah.
5-degree angle.
Ah! Yeah! Exactly what you do. Look at that.
And
It's
that
nice and hard on the end. One. Did you hear that? Jesus.
Seriousness, when are we getting the winch on? Because it does need to be on.
Yeah, we got to get it on. It'll help me before it helps you, to be
I know.
fair. Yeah. All right.
So you've got to watch this. Don't touch that.
That'll go off like a bomb.
Yeah. Look at that. That
Like
sounds
a
good.
candle in the wind.
And it seems to me you lived your life like a candle in the wind.
Do you know what? Elton John would be impressed, wouldn't he? Can he play the piano as well? Yeah, well done. Get them. Right, so this tank that was all right. This tank that was all right. Yep. You just dragged it across the yard. It's probably got a hole in it now.
Next time you see this vehicle,
Yeah.
it'll be looking a lot different.
Is it going to look really smart?
Big plans.
Big plans.
For Mrs. Trucker Tim, this truck.
Ask for Mrs. Trucker Tim.
Get her a class 2 and class 1.
Oh, God. Everybody get off the road.
We're going to apply for a provisional in the upcoming video, and then I can take her out with L's on, can't I?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, there is that. Hey! Jesus! Yes! I love this truck. Before we take the Volvo to where it needs to be, we need to go and pick up my cousin's bull bar that has now been painted. I don't think Darren has ever seen the Volvo. Welcome back to the content, Darren. Been a while.
Good afternoon.
Have you seen yourself featuring occasionally in videos, like little clips?
Yes.
Of you scratching your head?
I've been told that I'm your meme now.
Did you see me touching up the steer arm with Tipex?
Yes, I did. That was good.
Did you like
good
that?
colour match. Never seen it.
Yeah, I know, that's what I just said to the viewers. I don't think you've ever seen it. It's actually alright.
This bit here, chassis looks.
Yeah, it's alright. I've got all new plastic sitting in the cab, ready to go on. Wrapped. I'm just speaking to Wayne.
He's going to wrap it.
Yeah, he's going to wrap it.
Is this the one for
Rather
your,
than paying you for a
is this the one
spray
for
job.
your lovely lady?
Yes, Helen.
That's the
It's going to
one
be Mrs.
now.
Trevor Tim's truck. So yeah, rather than pay you
Yes, which
a good amount of money
to get it painted.
per painted, just makes sense, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And I can change it as much as I want.
Yeah. Add to it, take off of it. Oh, I'm quite impressed with it, especially considering I've not got to do a lot.
Newark prep. Right down there. Don't look underneath. I couldn't find any blue Tipex, otherwise I'd have done that.
No.
Looks like something's run down there, doesn't it?
Yeah. Yeah, we can do that.
It's not a black smoke, is it? Causing a reaction.
Causing a reaction.
So that needs to be done before Newark, please. Still want to do the smooth wing top thing.
Yeah.
This is all going to be winter stuff. Winter is coming.
This is new. This is your new workshop stuff, though, isn't it?
Yeah, new workshop stuff. I need you to give me a lesson.
Yeah, I'll come down there.
Oh, you're going to come down?
Come down one evening.
One evening.
What colour are you wrapping it yet?
It's going to be bright, proper
There
boom.
might be a bit more work then in it than you think. This door's dented really bad.
Where?
All the way down it. Can you see it?
I see that now.
You see them? See?
You always point out the bad stuff.
Sides. It's my eye.
Right, where's this? Oh, bull bar then. I still like Noddy's workshop in here.
Yes, of course it is.
Here is the bull bar. Look at that. He's going to be pleased with that. That'll be alright drive, won't it?
Yeah, because if it moves back, it's just going to...
It's only going to go
against that.
Yeah, it's only rest against that. I'll put a strap on it just in case,
Just one.
or a chain.
Chain.
Thank you for that. I'll see you very shortly for some Newark prep.
Newark prep.
Fifth wheel cover and side skirt, please.
Hopefully that is all it is until we get to Newark.
So I'll just get this bull bar off and then we'll get over to where we're delivering the Volvo. Yeah. Okay, so we've got the bull bar off. That's now going to be fitted to my cousin's truck. Can't wait to show you that one when it's done as well. It's now time to head over and deliver the Volvo. Okay. Yeah, boys. So we're just about to turn up where it's going. I think it's going to be quite tight getting in here, actually. That's what you have to watch out for, look. And then you have to watch out for that bit there. We've got Josh behind the camera, because the main man doesn't want to be on camera, does he, Josh?
No, he doesn't know.
Maybe by the end of the build, we might get him on.
Hopefully we will.
Hopefully, I think we will. You're going to be helping with the build on this.
I am, yes. I'm looking forward to it.
MW Engineering is where we're at. You're going to be doing all the fabrication work on it.
We'll
get
are.
it off and we'll have a talk through it. Welcome to the next project. Probably get a new step because it's going to be wrapped. So, you know, you can't wrap over that. You'll see it through the wrap. Probably paint the wheels, but that'll be Darren's job.
Here we go.
There we go, look. I'm having these ramps off the back here.
What you're replacing him with then?
Clip-ons.
Oh, very nice. He's down.
Oh.
Oh,
Welded.
dear me.
Welded.
That's not good, is it?
I'll get it off for you, Josh.
Okay, then.
There we go. That's
He's
that.
off.
We've got to get the truck by it.
Oh, damn it.
There we go.
She's off now. Oh, listen to that.
I think she could do with a new compressor.
It's a bit noisy, isn't she?
It's not
It won't go away when it warms up.
No,
It don't.
it's always done it.
Oh.
I'll give that job to Sean.
That's Sean at Lombardo.
Yeah!
It's all go. Oh.
have a skip here? I'll just did a bit of bull bar. That's all. Climb up, Josh. Have a look inside the cabin area. These look.
Look at them, look, shiny.
Buy some parts. They're quite good, aren't they? Actually, for pattern, they're not actually.
Oh, definitely, yeah, they look fine.
I went for the slightly more expensive pattern part. You know, you get an option, don't you?
Yeah.
The really cheap ones. You got like, you can get these for like £15 each, or you can go up a notch and go 35. And I went for the 35. Front ones.
Oh, we're
Cramped
stuck.
in here. Look at that.
Oh, look at that, look. You don't even need to back to black it.
No, no. I'm happy with them. They got through like that, and they go through them bars.
For the bars, yeah.
And that holds them on nicely. Disconnect that for you. Thank you.
Oh, that's all right.
Brand new rubbers for the wing tops.
Oh, very nice. Oh, look at them.
You can smell that.
Oh, that's proper genuine rubber.
So the truck came from Walker Movement.
Oh, you're all right there? We're going to get your hard hat. Look at that, look.
Walker Movements, that's where the truck came from. And when it's done, I'm going to take it back to them and show them.
They'd enjoy that though, wouldn't they?
They will enjoy that,
Yeah.
I think. Can't hear a lot of fabrication going on today.
Oh.
Ooh. So I'm thinking, this is aired out low. I want it low. We don't want to be on the floor, do we? So just off, Mark.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Can we bring the side skirts up to like here somewhere?
Full depth ones.
So there's full depth ones rather than narrow. You see any rust, Mark, just cover it. Don't think, oh, that looks dodgy, just cover it up. I will be coming down to give you a hand, you'll be pleased to hear, or not. This has got to come off. Also, I was thinking, this is all boxed in. We've got the batteries here. If I get a flat battery, which I probably, that's what reminds me.
Plug through the side?
Yeah,
or?
up in there, somewhere, just somewhere I can get to it. Yeah, to jump it, because it will no doubt go flat. So yeah, I'm going to sort the front splitter out and everything else. You're going to put side skirts on for me. Fit all this in. Rear bumper, Dutch bumper, stacks, and rear A-frame.
Yeah.
Fifth wheel.
We're just making that fit, isn't it?
Yeah, it's never going to be hooked up to anything, so you may as well just literally. The fifth wheel probably here, so you're never going to get on it anyway. Did you get that?
Yeah.
Good man. Just like that.
You look
Easy.
sleek, it will.
It will look sleek, won't it? It will look good. Look at me doing the measuring. You probably want, what, like, so you can get your fingers under it, maybe? Is that low enough?
10, 15 mil, 20 mil maximum off the floor. Is the rear panel going?
Well, no,
centre
because
or-
I'll have a beefy flap like
Yeah.
that, so that'll be on the floor.
What about 8
But
inch? Something like
You
that.
can have whatever you want.
Yeah.
You can have whatever depth you want. Still a bit undecided on the back, aren't we? I did send you that picture, the one from Cine. I'll leave it with you then, lads. Mark has just got me these.
Oh, look at those.
W Engineering.
It's very smoky.
There she is, all dropped off for MW Engineering. We'll keep coming down regularly to keep up to date on progress, and I'll be helping as well, doing a few bits, make some brackets, lots to do. I'm so excited for the Volvo build, it's going to look so mean when it's done.